Hi guys, it's Shell, Heart of It All Custom Creations. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button to see future videos. I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. So today I'm doing, it's basically a Mother's Day Tumbler, Peekaboo, Floral. So let's jump right in. I am starting with a 20-ounce sublimation tumbler, and I am painting it just this pink that I have. Any pink would do. You just want the base of it to not be white. It doesn't need to be perfect because we will be using a lot of glitter to cover this up. And not all the glitter will be showing anyway because it is going to be a peekaboo. So once I do one layer, I do mix the glitter glue in with the paint and go over it a second time so that I can then use this for my adhesive when it's time to add the glitter. Everything that I use will be listed in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. The first glitter I'm going to use is BFF by Peachy Olive Glitters, and I am just randomly putting these little spots all over the tumbler. It's going to look like a mess to begin with, but I promise you it won't be. So then this is Flamingo, and doing the same thing with this. And it's also by Peachy Olive Glitters. And then I'm going to use, not sure what color that is. I did it way too fast. But like I said, everything will be listed in the description box below. And of course, you could always do your own color combinations. I just did a variety of different pinks. And when I was done with that, I did go in with, this is from the Glitter Heart Co. I think it's Sweetheart, maybe. I'm not sure. But like I said, everything will be listed in the description box below. And I'm pretty much just dumping this all over. But the very final glitter that I'm going to use is going to be Flurries from the Glitter Heart Co. Or no, from Peachy Olive Glitters. And I'm going to just pour that all over the tumbler. So anything that might have gotten missed will show up because I did paint it underneath. So then once I'm done with that, I tap out the excess, roll it just to make sure that it lays down, let it dry, add 2 coats of epoxy, and then it's time to add our decals. So these are the peekaboos I'm going to use. I used some roses and some peonies, I believe these are. And I'm just going to wrap this around the tumbler. And then we're going to paint over it as well. But of course I had issue laying down my transfer tape, and it easily came right up without disturbing the bottom. So I'm just going to cut this as close to the bottom as possible so that I can wrap it around the tumbler and it would be somewhat even. I didn't do these with a specific pattern, just random. So now I'm going to take it outside and spray paint it using the rustolem 2 times. I believe this is Sweet Pea. Such a really pretty, yes, Sweet Pea. Pretty light pink. And I let that dry, and then I'm going to remove all of my decals. I want to be very careful because these are skinny lines and I don't want to nick my paint. So I'm carefully going and removing all of the removable vinyl to show the glitter underneath. And here in a second, I will show you with those different combinations, how each flower almost looks like an ombre of colors like a real flower would. And I think it turned out awesome. See, you can see right there, it's darker than lighter. And I just absolutely love how that turned out. So I'm going to go ahead and remove all of the rest of the decals. And then once that is done, I do add one coat of epoxy. And I do use KS Resin Liquidy Split. This helps me get my tumblers done so much quicker. So yeah, definitely check out KS Resin. And I got these decal for the Peekaboo from Creative Fabrica. Definitely check out Creative Fabrica. My link is in the description box below. Amazing deal. $9 a month. Your first 10 downloads free, or pay by the year for $59, and it averages out to $4.99 a month. So totally worth it. But like I said, I'm going to add a coat of epoxy, and then we will move on to the next step. So once that epoxy has cured, I have these sheet of floral decals from Maestro Creations, and I'm just going to cut out a few of these that I want to use. I'm not going to use all of the flowers, and I want, a variety of the colors and sizes. So I'm going to peel off the back and then place it down, and making sure that I really get that pressed down really well. This is a semi-transparent decal, and so anything that you see with the color is printed on white, and surrounding it is clear. So once it's under epoxy, you're not going to be able to see that border around it. So I'm just going to go ahead and place these all over the tumbler. These do not need sealed, so I'm going to place it back on my turner, add 2 final coats of epoxy, and this is what we are with. I absolutely love this. I think it's perfect for Mother's Day. I did add a little bit of marshmallow into the first of the second of the final 2 coats, just to give it a little bit of extra shine. But I love how this turned out. This will be available on the website if you are interested. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a great big thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.